We in Budapest. Chimney cake. I missed my train, so I spent the night here in Budapest, and here's why. Alright, just made it to Budapest and it's raining. We're about to take this bus to get to the train station where we're supposed to be, so hopefully it takes us there. This should kind of remind me of some part of the States. Just past a few addicts. So I guess this is their chilling spot at dark. Where do I go? Ferns, Budapest. This shit is stressful, fam. Traveling sometimes. You don't know what the fuck you're gonna get into. Yeah, guys, I think I missed my train, bro. They're an hour ahead here. So that means my watch is wrong. And it's 10:36 right now. My train was at 22:11, which is 10:11. I think I might have to stay in Budapest for a night. Okay, guys, so we made it onto a train, not the train we're supposed to be on. Okay, so I didn't fully explain in this clip on the way here to the hostel, but I missed my overnight train due to the lovely Ryanair flight that I had just now. But it would have been possible, but it would have been cutting it real close, which is what happened here, and I got left. But stay tuned for the next video because I will actually got on the right train this time, and it will be a good and long video. Like and subscribe. Let's get to 100 subs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're on it for 7 stops. So we'll get off at that and then walk 11 minutes to this hostel that we have not booked, but they should have availability based upon what I've seen online. Nevertheless, off we go, and then when we're at this hostel, we'll book our actual train and try to get refunded for the one that we didn't make, and then what I'm talking about. Still a small ass room though. Hella soak. Reference. It's a little sink, a little toilet, and a shower. Not much to it, but hey, it'll work for the night. 39 euros. Alright. To leave Budapest, spend the night here, so now we're gonna head out later to the train station. Gonna walk around just because it's my first time here. Anyway, need to get out there knocking on the door.
Okay, so
just walking around here in Budapest. I'm gonna show you the interesting bits I'm seeing, which I don't know if that's a homeless man's home, but here, we're out here. I'm gonna walk to the Gillet Hill, if that's how you say it. This is the central market area. Damn, it's packed in here. Might get a souvenir, just to remember that I was in Hungary. Hungary. Chimney cake. Spices, what I like to see. Curry. Damn, I'm trying to walk, ma'am. Doesn't seem like much in here, but hey, catch you guys on the mountain. Seems like a lively place. It's literally shaking the ground. It's on the same level. All right, so if you kind of can see it, there's the hillside cave system. They said it was formerly used as the monastery and a hospital during World War II. I want to get on one of these. Yo, the current in this is crazy. Look at the ship. Pushing. All right. We in Budapest. Looking over. Seeing all the views. Think you could go higher, but I don't know if I want to pay to get in. Wonder if I could climb it. You think? Doesn't seem like much. Not a avid climber, but I guess you could go up there. Fire. Here we go. We dead ass out here climbing, fam. Seen buddy right up there. Yo, that's crazy. I know I said it down there, but shit. Guys and gals out there, ladies and men, your boy out here working just to get up top. Guess that's life, right? You put in the grind and you get something out sometimes. Bro, this shit is steep. Look there. Fuck. Hopefully I don't. Yep. Made it. I think we took the shortcut. Fix my watch. Wow. Nice. Real nice. Not gonna go further because that. Whew.
Like, subscribe.